Hello everyone and welcome to Zenair Auto everyone and etc. And this is the new 2016 Mercedes Benz C class sedan. It's a very nice car with an excellent design. This generation is the W205 generation, which spanned from about 2015 to 2021. So, it's a very nice car. It battles against the BMW 3 Series and the Audi A4. And this particular color is called the Brilliant White exterior color. And this particular car is the Avant-Garde package, which includes these interesting kind of wheels. It includes these kind of wheels, you see. And this car has a 66 litres petrol fuel tank with a 5.8 litres fuel consumption. Yes. The boot space, it has at least 400 litres of boot space. Oh, sorry, haven't done it properly. Anyways, this is actually not my car. It's someone else's car. It's actually my uncle's car. He's just over there in the background. And let's have a look at the interior. But before we do, have a look at the rear. What do you think of it? It looks like a shortened S-Class. The new C-Class basically looks like a miniature S-Class, I believe. Anyway, shall we go into the rear? Let's go inside. Interesting car. Oh, it's alright, come on in. So, Dado, so this is the new interior. I like how they got rid of the old design and replaced it with a new, fresher, modern style. By the way, although it is nice, there are a couple of problems with this Mercedes C-Class. Although the handling is very good, it just doesn't handle as well as a BMW 3 Series would. Another problem is this wheel controller. The touchpad is getting in the way of the wheel controller. Come on, Mercedes, why couldn't you put all those functions over here? Anyways, about the infotainment system. Mercedes fans, warning, do not let the system distract you from the traffic situation. And it also shows, so this is the Mercedes Benz Audio 20 CD system. This one has a 6.5-inch screen. There's an optional command online system, which gets you a 7-inch color screen. You have your radio controls over here. Then your media functions, no Bluetooth audio connected. Then there's your navigation. Please wait. It's actually a different system. It uses a bit more differently compared to the other Mercedes models. You see? This is what the map looks like. Yes. This is how to operate the map. Interesting, I believe. Then there's also a telephone function, which lets you connect an interesting device. Then there's the vehicle settings, actually. So there's the vehicle settings, so you can change the car the way you like. Oh, by the way, this car also has the ambient lighting, but with 3 colors: neutral, solar, or blue. Oh, by the way, there's also There's also dynamic select, which lets you configure the car. So there's comfort mode, sport plus mode, manual mode, or eco mode. It's a very nice car to drive. Anyways, this car also has a vision package, which includes night vision, which helps you see better in the dark. It also has 20-way power electric seats. It also has heated seats in the front. It's a very nice car to have. Anyways, why don't we check out the engine? Oh, but first we need to fire it up. And so this car, because this car is the C250 model, it gets you a 2-litre turbocharged inline 4-cylinder petrol engine. It delivers about 155 kilowatts and up to at least 211 horsepower. It reaches 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 6.6 seconds. And the top speed is about 250 kilometers per hour, I'd say. It has rear-wheel drive, and it also has a standard 7-speed torque converter automatic gearbox as standard. Here's what the engine sounds like. Hope you like it. Let's have a look at the engine. And so the name of this engine is the M274. As I said earlier, it's a 2-litre turbocharged inline 4-cylinder petrol engine with 211 horsepower, 155 kilowatts. It's basically a very nice engine. It's very powerful. Fuel consumption is about 5.8 litres, 5.7 litres I expect. It's Euro 6 compliant and it's very nice. The suspension is really comfortable. Alright, now to show you the rear seats. So, when it comes to sitting in the rear, I'm quite comfortable. Decent legroom and decent headroom. It's very nice and comfortable here in the rear. I really like the soft leather. This one has the black leather interior color with the comfort seats in the front. It also has the Burmester surround sound system with up to 13 loudspeakers and up to 590 watts. It also has those analog dials. I believe. Have a look at these. I'm pretty sure they look fantastic. So, this car has 400 litres boot space, big enough for a couple of suitcases, and yeah, it is nice, isn't it? And now for an interview with my Uncle Kashif. So, Uncle Kashif, how's it like owning the Mercedes Benz C class?
It's been a pleasure. The ride is really fun.
And, do you find the ride comfortable?
Yeah, it's very comfortable. Very quick on the acceleration.
Do you like the infotainment system?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Even though it's not the best of what you could get, but it does. It sounds pretty good.
Yeah, it is really nice. And you also got 3-zone automatic climate control system as standard. And this car, it's very nice to have. Yeah, it's a really nice car. What made you pick the C class over the 3 Series and the A4?
Well, it's a difficult question. I was considering. I think it's a class. It's a C class. So
C class.
that's
C is for compact.
Yep. Yeah. So yeah, if I had the money, I would have gone for S class, but probably.
Yeah.
Maybe another time.
But perhaps maybe another time. It's been a pleasure to be reviewing your car, and I'd like to thank you very much for it, Uncle Kashif. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome. Most welcome. Thank you very much for reviewing the car.
So everyone, I hope you enjoyed the review of the 2016 Mercedes Benz C Class C250 sedan. If you want more reviews like this, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you won't miss any one of my single amazing reviews. Anyways, and I shall end it there. Alright.